3 first-time buyer traps and how to avoid them. Are you buying your first home? Exciting, right? But wait, before you fall in love with that dream house, let's talk about 3 common traps first-time buyers fall into and how you can avoid them. Trap number 1, stop over-leveraging yourself. Just because the bank says you can afford a $400,000 home doesn't mean you should invest the entire sum. Think about monthly expenses, property taxes, HOA fees, and yes, even future repairs. Don't stretch your budget so thin that you can't breathe. A good rule of thumb? Keep your mortgage payment under 28% of your monthly income. Your future self will thank you. Trap number 2, skip the inspection to make your offer more competitive. I know it's tempting, but that dream home might come with nightmare plumbing, foundation issues, or a bad roof. Never skip it. Even if the seller refuses repairs, knowing what you're walking into is power. Trap number 3, never underestimate closing costs. Most buyers budget for the down payment, but forget the 2 to 5% of the home's price that goes to taxes, lender fees, insurance, and more. Make sure to talk to your lender or agent so there are 0 surprises when you're ready to close. So avoid the debt trap, never skip inspections, and plan for those hidden closing costs. These 3 tips will help you buy smart and sleep soundly. If you're a first-time buyer in New Mexico, I'd love to help. Reach out with your questions below and let's find your dream home together. You deserve more than generic advice. I dig deeper because your deal deserves strategy. Follow if you're done settling.